What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a tier list on a game I barely fucking play. First we got Solace. Oh, look at the wiki. Critical, yeah. Use the bow. Launch yourself into the air before performing a downward blast of blue flame at your opponents. Shit looks pretty bad. Incineration. Looks alright. C looks pretty good. That shit looks broken. It's gonna be an A tier. SSS Owl. Crit's kind of broken. Z's kind of broken. X kind of broken. C very broken. Okay. Go ahead and put that in the S tier. Ginkui. Ginkui. Yep, Ginkui. Well, look at that. Crit's just a little slash. Okay. Crit plus hunger. Oh. It's a little strong. Z, low broken. Z plus M2, low broken. X, that's alright. X plus hunger look a little broken. Indigestion, it's alright. It's gonna be... Yeah, it's gonna be S tier. Got 13's Jason. Look for that. 13's Jason. Crit looks cool. Crit plus M2 look a little broken. Looks good. That looks a little strong. It's gonna go ahead and go in S tier. IXA. Yeah, all of these are just kind of alright. So IXA's gonna be B tier. What the freak is that? Aus? Critical's just a thrust. Z plus crit, I don't know. That's a little broken. Boomerang, yep. Deflect. Put that in A tier. Narukami. Crit looks weak, cool. Z looks stupid, cool. That looks cool, I like that one. X move's cool. Know why all these weapons are range and a melee, but that's cool. The range mode looks a lot stronger. A lot stronger. Okay, that weapon's gonna go ahead and get high A. Above that one. Kuai? I already used this weapon in combat. You can go ahead and take a look at it. Little jump forward, little stab. More stabbing, some more stabbing, yeah. So,
Go ahead and put that in B tier.
Nutcracker, also a weapon I already used. I'm gonna look for that real quick. Nutcracker, yeah. Love this weapon. So you do a crit, yep. No damage. Z, little no damage. X, no damage. C, a little damage. I never used the upgraded form. There's probably also no damage, so, Nutcracker's going at the B tier. What the hell did I say? Chishi? That ain't right. Chishi. Check that. Yep, what she said. Crit, ragdoll, cool. Z's cool. I like the X. C. So it looks like that big old clobber weapon. This one, Doujima. For that, I'm gonna put that in A tier. Above Aus. Bokusatsu? What, you freaky? Bokusatsu. Yep, Bokusatsu. Yep. Giant windup. Looks horrible. Cool. Z move. I like that. Like the X move. C move looks pretty bad. Put that in high B tier. Serrate. I think I accidentally made this weapon before. Crit looks alright. Z looks horrible. Cool. I like the X move. That was cool. That looks broken. Alright. Put that in A tier. Demon Yamada. Another copy-paste weapon. Looks the same. Just a bunch of slashes. Yep. Whole lot of slashing. Get a D tier. Yukimura. Yukimura. That it? Yep, Yukimura. Z. Kinda bad. Oh, it's this weapon. Yeah, this weapon is very alright. If it gets upgraded, it's alright. But Yukimura and B tier. Above these two. Next we got Scorpion. Scorpion can go ahead and get a C tier. I don't know what that says. Kajiri. Go ahead and check that real quick. Yep. This one's alright. It's in B tier above Nutcracker. I think Nutcracker upgraded is probably above IXA. And Doujima, my favorite weapon. I love this thing. The crit, you jump forward, bink. Z, you run forward, bink. X, slam the ground. And C, hyper armor swing. Let's go ahead and get high A tier. Above that. There we go. That's the tier list.